it's me, Pedro Vieira, and I'm here to make an announcement. Hilda Multiverse Parallel is paused. No, it's not canceled and something like that. What do you think? It's just paused because do you know why it's paused? Simple. Because I'm making a history mod. And it's going to be like a revival mod. But it's history. And no, I'm not talking about Sontrex C. But I'm talking about a mod about Hilda. Color Builder Parade. And I didn't know this mod got cancelled. The creator is out count, I think. And I think he's cancelled this mod. But now I have started with this mod. Or revive this mod. Yeah, here's the logo of this mod. Yeah. And I think that's it. I think. Oh wait, before it ends, I'm going to show a song. And I think it's come out. And that's it. That's all, folks.